Today's March 26th to 23, and I just bought my first CB. I ordered this on Amazon. This is a Uniden Bearcat 980 sideband, and I've never bought a CB before. I've been interested in them for several years. My grandpa had one. I have a great uncle that was big into CB and ham radio, so I've always been interested in them. I didn't know what all this would include. That's the big question. To go over everything this includes. Does it include a bracket, a microphone, a wiring harness, a mount? I think I know the answer to that, but I think it only includes the CB and the hand mic, but we'll see. So here's the Uniden 980. Looks good. I have heard nothing but good reviews about this, so I ordered it on Amazon. And then after I ordered it, I saw a bunch of bad reviews on Amazon. So I hope that's not the case. Okay, here we go. We got our hand mic. That's good, I expected that. We've got mounting hardware. That's good. We've got a little jumper coax. No, that's not coax. That is a 4-pin. Okay. We have a wiring harness. That is one of the big things I wondered about. We've got a handset clip retainer, whatever you call that. And we've even got a mount.
What?
So we've got everything that we need here to get started.